Every irrigation canal has to carry a certain flow. Manning's equation is how engineers connect that flow to the channel's shape, its slope, and its roughness. It is the workhorse of open channel hydraulics. The equation needs just four things: the flow area A and the wetted perimeter P, whose ratio gives the hydraulic radius R, the bed slope S, and Manning's N, a single number that captures how rough the channel surface is. That roughness value matters. Smooth concrete sits around 0.013, a clean earthen canal closer to 0.02. Let weeds and gravel creep in and it climbs towards 0.035. Choose N carefully because it drives the whole result. Let's size a real canal. Bottom width 2 meters, side slopes of 1.5 to 1, water depth 1 meter, a gentle bed slope, and an N of 0.025. Work through the geometry, and Manning's equation gives a velocity of about 0.65 meters per second and a discharge of roughly 2.3 cubic meters per second. Doing that by hand every time is tedious. This is FlowStudio. Drop in the same geometry, the bottom width, side slope, depth, bed slope, and N. Then pick what you want to solve for. Hit calculate, and it's instant. Discharge, velocity, flow area, and a rating curve showing how flow grows with depth. The exact numbers we just worked out by hand in a fraction of a second. And that is the point. Spend your time on the engineering decisions, sizing canals, testing scenarios, comparing options, instead of grinding through arithmetic.